Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'm Yoko. Today I will show you how to make easy and lazy plant-based milk. You don't need a high-speed blender or nuts bag to make healthy plant-based milk. I usually make small batch at a time and finish in one day or two, so that I can enjoy freshly made milk anytime I want. The reason why I can prepare my plant milk so frequently is it's ready in few minutes. Today, I will show you very basic lazy plant milk recipe and also my favorite vanilla hemp and cashew milk recipe. So, without further ado, let's dive in! Easiest way to make plant-based milk is using nut butter. They're already smoothly blended, so you don't need a high-speed blender to crack the nuts. Also, by using nut butter, you can skip the soaking process. The second option to make a lazy plant milk is using shelled nuts or seeds. My favorite is hemp seeds and pine nuts. They are both rich in protein and blends really smoothly. Hemp milks are bitter and nutty, and pine nut milk has a little bit acidity to it. They are both creamy and milky, and great as a coffee creamer or for oatmeal porridge. The third option to make a lazy plant milk is using tahini. Tahini is a sesame seed butter, so this might be a great option for who is sensitive to nuts. So now let's move on to actually making the lazy plant milk. The basic recipe is same for every ingredient, which is for 1 cup of water, you need 1 tablespoon of nut butter or nuts or seeds. This is the basic ratio, so if you want to make it rich and creamy, add more nuts and seeds. I like make 1 cup of plant milk and use it up at one sitting. But if you use more or batch make to save some for later, you can easily do it by multiplying the recipe. Also, this is a very basic recipe so that you can use it cooking or baking or anything you like. But feel free to add any sweetener or salt or any flavoring you like. Now, into a blender, add 1 tablespoon of any nut butter, seeds, or nuts option I explained earlier. Then add 1 cup of water. My blender cup is too small, so that I just add ½ cup of water. If you have only smaller blender like me, don't worry, you can add water later on. Now pop the lid on and blend until everything is combined. Here I use Vitamix blender, but I've tried to make it with not so powerful blender and it worked perfectly fine. Then pour the milk into a clean jar and add leftover water if you have any. Mix it really well and you have freshly made plant-based milk. Enjoy as a coffee creamer or breakfast porridge. If you don't finish it at one sitting, keep it in the fridge and finish it up in few days. After a few hours, milk does separate in a jar. That's because there's no binding agent added. Simply give it a shake and you are good to go. Next, let's make a vanilla hemp and cashew milk. In this recipe, I'm gonna use hemp seeds and cashew butter. Sweetness from dates and salt make this milk really taste like a dairy. So, into a blender, add 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of cashew butter, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 4 major dates, pitted. If you are not using high-speed blender, I recommend to soak the dates for at least 15 minutes beforehand to blend it up smoothly. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and blend everything until well combined. And you'll get this creamy and sweet vanilla plant milk. Transfer the milk to a clean jar or container and enjoy as you like. It tastes really good as it is, so you can drink it up like regular milk. I think kids can also enjoy it as a milk substitute. I love enjoy chocolate cake with vanilla plum milk. And if you're a coffee lover, pour this milk to your coffee to add sweetness and natural creaminess to your coffee. So this is my favorite way to make plant milk. It's so easy, so that you can enjoy healthy and fresh plant milk anytime you want. I hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully find some inspirations. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!